Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. We will review Concor 5 tablets in this video. This is a strip of 10 tablets and you can see the tablets are of heart shape. So it is clearly giving you an indication that this will be dealing with our organ heart. The cost is 116.5, means approximately 117 rupees. The composition is mentioned here and it is a product of Merck Specialties Private Limited. So this medicine is very much helpful in the case of high BP. So the people who are suffering from high BP, they can have it, and it relaxes the blood vessels so that blood pressure decreases. As you know, high blood pressure is dangerous for our heart, but before consulting a doctor, do not consume them, because your symptoms actually defines that which type of medicine you should take, because there are innumerable medicines available for reducing the BP. So doctor will match up according to your symptoms and he or she will define the duration for these medicines. Stay connected to have more reviews on medicine, and do consider subscribing and pressing the bell button for the recent notifications. Thank you.